Welcome back. Today I'm going to talk about Dewalt cases. Now, I've always loved the Dewalt cases. They've been very, very handy, but the disadvantage is I don't know what's in them. They all look alike, and I've been sticking, here's my pick set. This has got drills. So, I don't know what, I've got a whole pile of them. I don't know what they are. This is the new system Dewalt's coming out with, and wait till you see these. These are kind of very interesting. So let me just open them up here. Well, next time I do that with a pair of scissors or something. So this is my first time playing with these, but what looks fun is I can see what's inside. I can grab that, I can see what's inside. Look at that. So they're standardizing, they have some larger sizes. So this is the first ones I picked up. So this is brand new to me. It looks really fun. I can see what I got there. And apparently, it's stackable. The old style didn't really stack that well at all. So here they are, they're stackable. They stack, they clip in there quite nice. So I just put it on there, I clip that up, so I can open that up. So I open this one, I got that up. And then if I want to undo it, okay, it comes off. I think it's going to be really good. It's going to be handy. I'm going to quite enjoy these because when they're sitting in my tool case, I'm going to be able to pick them up. Do I recommend it? Well, I bought them. It's going to be very handy for me. I'm going to like this because these other styles, I just don't know what's in there half the time. At least this, I can see what's on it. Buy these things when they're on special. They're just blowing them out the door. I think I paid for the drill set. This one was like $10. We'll have another video. I want to see about having my basic locksmithing tools. I want to set one of these out with my tweezers, my favorite followers, and maybe even one set up as a pick set. Put my favorite picks in there. So I like it. I'm going to replace my old boxes bit by bit with these. I hope you enjoyed the video. And remember, subscribe. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.